Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 45 immunology MCQ in microbiology. First 45 questions of this video we have already discussed in a video that link is provided in description. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. This is a quick revision video, so we are discuss only answers. The question is antibodies are produced from A cell. Option B is right. A cell. Next question is incomplete antigens are called haptens. Option C is right, haptens. 48 question is to be antigen the chemical molecule proteins need. To be antigens proteins need high molecular weight and chemical complexity. Option C is right, A and B both, high molecular weight and chemical complexity. 49 question is the part which filter lymphs are. The part which filters lymphs are lymph nodes. Option A is right, lymph nodes. 50 question is the primary cell involved in immune response are. The primary cell involved in immune response are lymphocytes. Option C is right, lymphocytes. 51 question is plasma cell are the end cell of beta cells. Option B is right, beta cells. 52 is basophils have receptor of antibodies. Basophils have receptors for antibodies IgE. Option D is right, IgE. Question number 53 is because of denaturation, antigen become functionless. These are called. Because of denaturation, antigens become functionless. These are called hidden epitopes. Option C, hidden epitopes. 54 is capacity of antigen to break down into small fragments, each with a single epitope region is known as. The capacity of antigen to break down into small fragments, each with a single epitopic region, is known as solubility. Option A is right, solubility. Antigen. Next question is antigenic specificity is due to. Antigenic specificity is due to steric configuration. Option C is right, steric configuration. 56 is antibodies are glycoproteins. Option B is right, glycoproteins. 57 is general purpose antibodies is IgG. Option B is right, IgG. 58 is antibody present in colostrum is IgA. Option B is right, IgA. 59 question is which antibodies called millinary molecule? Which antibodies are called millinary molecules? Called IgM. Option B is right, IgM. Next question is IgE is discovered by Ishizaka. Option A is right, Ishizaka. 61 is antigen antibodies reaction are reversible and irreversible, both A and B. Option D is right, reversible and irreversible. 62 is serological reaction are useful for detection of antigens and detection of antibodies, both A and B. Option C is right, both A and C. B. 63 question is for the separation of antigen the method used is. For the separation of antigen the method used is immunoelectrophoresis. Option A is right, immunoelectrophoresis. Option A is right. 64 is counter immunoelectrophoresis is useful for detection of electrophoresis is useful for detection one antigen or antibodies. Option A is right, one antigen or antibodies. 65 is when a particular antigen is mixed with antibody in the presence of an electrolyte at suitable temperature and pH, the particles are clumped. This is called. When a particular antigen is mixed with antibodies in the presence of an electrolyte at suitable temperature and pH, the particles are clumped. This is called agglutination. Option B is right, agglutination. 66 question is toxins and viruses can be detected by. Toxins and viruses can be detected by neutralization. Option C is right, neutralization. 67 question is which is the most antigenic? Which is most antigenic is exotoxins. Option A is right, exotoxins. 68 is sick test is used for the detection of diphtheria. Option A is right, diphtheria. 69 question is secondary function of complement are. Secondary function of complement are hemolysis and phagocytosis. Option C is right, both A and B, hemolysis and phagocytosis. 70 question is very effective, less time consuming and at a time so many samples can be detected by. Very effective, less time consuming and at a time so many samples can be detected by ELISA. Option A is right, ELISA. 71 is A cells are involved in humoral immunity. Option A is right, humoral immunity. 72 is innate immunity is non-specific. Option B is right, non-specific. Next question is innate immunity is developed by mechanical barriers and chemical barriers. Option C is right, both A and B, both A and B. 74 is acquired immunity is neutral, artificial, active and passive. Option D is right, all of these. Option D is right. 75 is acquired immunity can be developed by. Acquired immunity is can be developed by neutral means and artificial means. Option C is right. Neutral means and artificial means. 76 is immediate type hypersensitivity reaction. Immediate type hypersensitivity reaction are immediate type hypersensitivity reaction are type 1, type 2, type 3. All of these. Option D is right. Next question is immediate type of hypersensitivity reaction are mediated by beta cells. Option B is right, beta cells. 78 is example of cell mediated immunity are. Example of cell immunity mediated immunity are tuberculin type contact dermatitis and granulomatous. Option D is right, all of these. 79 question is Mountax reaction is used for detection of used for detection of TB. Option A is tuberculosis TB. 80 is at the antibodies produced from A cells are having. All the antibodies producing from A cells are having similar specificity. Option A is similar specificity. 81 is hybridoma formation in hybridoma technique is from. Hybridoma formation in hybridoma technique is from spleen cell myeloma cells. Option A is right, stem cells to myeloma cells. 82 is anthrax vaccine is prepared by. Anthrax vaccine is prepared by attenuated bacilli. Option A is right, attenuated bacilli. Option question number 83 is attenuated oral poliomyelitis vaccine is. Attenuated oral poliomyelitis vaccine is Sabin vaccine. Option C is right, Sabin vaccine. Killed polio vaccine is Sabin vaccine. Option A is right. 85 is measles vaccine is given to children at the age of measles vaccine is given to the children at the age of between 9 months and 10 years. Option C is right, 9 months to 10 years. 86 is pertussis vaccine is formalin killed. Option B is formalin killed. 87 is DPT is triple vaccine. Option A is right, triple vaccine. 88 is DPT is used as vaccine for diphtheria, pertussis vaccine, tetanus toxoid. Option D is right, all of these. All of these. 89 is DPT is given to children at the age of 16 to 24 months as the dose is 0.5 ml at interval of 4 weeks. Option B, a booster dose of 0.5 L. Option C is right, A and B both. 90 is the last question of this video. There is 145 MCQ in this chapter. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Question is, if more than one kind of immunizing agent is included in the vaccine, it is. If more than kind of immunizing agent is included in the vaccine, it is mixed vaccine. Option C is right. Thank you for watching.